Hello everyone, I am Himani from Diet Almora under the guidance of my mentor Dr. Himlata Dhami. Today I am telling you a story. This is a story of an elephant and an ant. Learning outcomes of this story is student identify the different characters in the story. Student uses new vocabulary from the comprehension. Once upon a time, there lived a strong elephant in the forest. Every day, he would walk with big footsteps, stamping the ant hill. The ants decided to teach the elephant a lesson. One day, when the elephant was eating bananas leaves, a few ants started beating him. Elephant was unable to bear the pain and it began to trumpet loudly. The ants felt sorry for the elephant. We are sorry, we wanted to teach you a lesson. From that day onwards, the elephant did not trouble others. Moral of the story is bigger is not always great. Thank you. Have a nice day.